Hello students, today we are going to discuss standard 9 exercise 1.6. This is the last exercise of this chapter. So question number 1 says find the values of these numbers. This is expressed in exponential forms and we have to calculate its value. Question number 1, bit 1, 64 to the power half. Students, here find out a solution in such a manner that the given number 64 should be expressed as the power of 2 of some particular number. Here we can see that 1 by 2 is given here. So try to express 64 as the power of a particular number. So it is 8 to the power 2 which is equals to 64. So 8 to the power 2, again 1 by 2. So 2 cancelled out and we have 8 as the answer. Coming to bit 2, it is given 32 to the power 1 by 5. So any number having power 5 can be expressed can be replaced in place of 32. So it's 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power 5 means 32, again having another power 1 by 5. So 5 cancelled out and we have 2 as the answer. Bit 3, 125 to the power 1 by 3. Again 5 of power 3 is equals to 125. So express 125 as power of 5. So 5 power 3, again 1 by 3. So 3 cancelled out and we have 5 as the answer. Coming to question number 2, again find the values of these given numbers. So 9 to the power 3 by 2. Again try to cancel out this denominator part. So 2, how to express 9 so that 2 will be cancelled out. Again find out which number or power of 2 of any particular number can be cancelled out by this 2. So 3 to the power 2, 9. So 2 multiplied with 3 by 2. 2 cancelled out and we have 3 to the power 3 which is equals to 27. Coming to bit 2, 32 to the power 2 by 5. 32 means 2 to the power 5. Here we have to consider which is that particular number whose power will come as 5, so that these two terms can be cancelled out. Here 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power 2 means it's 4. Bit 3, 16 to the power 3 by 4. So 16 can be expressed as 2 to the power 4. So this 4 cancelled out. We have 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8. Bit 4, 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. 125 means 5 to the power 3 we have once used here. So 3 and 3 this cancelled out, but mark here one minus sign is coming. So 5 to the power minus 1 means it will come to the denominator part. So we have 1 by 5 as the answer. Coming to question number 3, it is given that simplify. We have to simplify the given expressions expressed in the exponential form. Here we have to use different identities. 2 to the power 2 by 3 multiplied with 2 to the power 1 by 5. Here we can use the identity as a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. There will be the addition of powers. So it will be base 2 remains constant. The power terms is going to be added with each other. So 2 by 3 plus of 1 by 5 will come as 13 by 15. Coming to next bit, 1 by 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7. Here we know the identity a divided by b. If power is given as a whole, then each individual numerator and denominator will take the same power. So here same thing, 1 will take the power of 7, again 3 will take the power of 7. Previously it has 3, so 3 into 7 is equals to 21. 1 to the power 7 means 1. 3 to the power 21, when raised to the numerator part it will be negative. So it is 3 to the power minus 21 as the answer. Coming to bit 3, it is 11 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 11 to the power 1 by 4. So it uses the identity of a to the power m divided by a to the power n will be equals to a to the power m minus m. Two powers will be subtracted. So it will be base 11 remains constant and 1 by 2 will be subtracted. 1 by 4 will be subtracted from 1 by 2. Ultimately, it will be 11 to the power 1 by 4. The last bit 4, 7 to the power half into 8 to the power half. Here the base changed but the power remains constant. So the identity will be equals to a to the power m into b to the power m, means a into b, the power will be shared, it will be m. So 7 will be multiplied with 8 whole to the power 1 by 2. 7 and 8 product value will give us as 56 and the power will be half. So 56 to the power half is our ultimate answer. So here we have completed exercise 1.6 as well as chapter 1. From my next video I will continue from chapter 2. Thank you for watching the video.